Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go! We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere! Sound effects are all over the place! Let's talk about sound effects! In today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the walking sound effect for Mika Roy, and the character is IRL Noella. Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and today I'm going to talk about the walking sound effect from Mika Roy. It's from a video called Never Do These Things in the Gacha Community, Gacha Club. It was uploaded 2 years ago on 2023, May 11th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 0:33 to 0:37. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. It might be 4. The falling sound effect will be removed at the end. Here's what it sounds like. See? I told you that this sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is only used for my O-season characters when they walk, or especially exercising in the training wheel. Remember kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Mika Roy before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 0:33 and ends at 0:37. Make sure you remove the falling sound effect at the end, okay? And I will see you later.